Are you tired of typing the same email responses over and over? Enable Smart Compose in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn on this time-saving feature. Just follow these simple steps. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Now, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the Quick Settings menu. Then, from that menu, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. In the General tab, scroll down until you find the Smart Compose section. Once there, click on Writing Suggestions On to enable Smart Compose. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to apply your setting. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.